Hey, what's up, everybody? It's been a little bit since I posted anything. I don't know, just been a little busy with the car and trying to get things ready, and took it to the track. Really didn't have a great outing. The car only went a 12.0, 132 mile an hour, a 2.2 60-foot time, so that wasn't too great. But I did find a couple problems where I had a knock issue in the back. I heard the rattling, so the knock sensors were pulling timing from the car. As you can see it out there covered up right now. I jacked it up and put it on stands so I could figure out where the rattling was coming from. There's old Bella out here with me. But I got it figured out. The exhaust that goes over the axle, there's a panhard bar support that runs across there, and it was rubbing on that and hitting it. So that's where it was reducing the timing on the car. Plus the IATs were, I don't know, 145, 150 degrees. Still got to find out how much time is being pulled out of the car when it does that. But I already had these. The video today is about the unboxing of my new coilover kit from Viking Performance. I got these from Billet Pro Shops, Matt Burnett. I don't know, y'all into the GT500 stuff. He has a badass GT500. It pretty fast, 6-speed. But anyways, so currently on the car now, it has strange adjustables with factory 5.0 Coyote springs on it, because the iron block was so heavy with the Kenny Bell. It was just too much for the BMR springs, and it was just smashing them. And the car was bottoming out. And anytime I rode anybody in the car, the fenders would hit the tires, or the tires would hit the fenders. So the only other thing I could do is get coilovers. So that's what I did. Worked a shitload of overtime and got them. So here's the unboxing today. So we'll start with this. And this is going to give me the ability to raise the car up or lower it down, whatever I want to do, for the ride height. Oh yeah, all nice billet stuff in here. Brush washers, spacers with the nuts. Slide all this right here before it goes falling down. Oh yeah, it's real nice. And top. Same thing on this side. So. Jesus Christ. So yeah. Oh yeah. And I did get the ones, because this is a street car. This is not a race car by no means. The ones with the sway bar mount. Cost a little extra, but to me it's worth it. Just in case I ever do decide to put the sway bar on it and want that body roll to go away. Beautiful. All billet. Double adjustable Crusaders. So this is going to help the car out tremendously from what I understand. So not that the strange is not good. It does really good for what it is, but I just don't have the adjustability that I'm looking for. And then of course the ability to control the rebound and the compression. Yeah, always important decals. But big shout out to Billet Pro Shop. I've gotten a lot of stuff on my GT500 from them. Let's see what's in here. Oh, nice. Again, it's just all billet, man. It's ridiculous. Kind of sucks that nobody will pretty much really see these, but no biggie. Nice grade 8 hardware. Pull that one off too. But anybody knows me pretty much knows that, I mean, I don't skimp on my parts. I want the best of what's out there. Here's the springs. So a set of 10-inch, 300-pound springs, because this is one heavy ass car. Again, not a race car. It's over 4,000 pounds. And I'll take you to a scale later and show you. I've already done it before, but just to show you, I mean, this car is extremely heavy, and that was without the new motor that's in it now with the iron block. That was with the aluminum block and the small little baby Whipple. So I already have these springs in the back already with Billet Pro Shop's spring purchase. I'll probably do a video on that too and show y'all that. But now everything's gonna match. So, not that I didn't like my BMR stuff. The BMR stuff worked really well, really good. But just like I said, it's just couldn't hold the weight. And whenever I talked to BMR, you know, they confirmed it. The springs are just not meant to hold that heavy motor with that blower like that. So this is what they recommended. So that's what I bought. Couple spanner wrenches. Got 2 of them. Pretty good. But there we have it. So if y'all want some badass coilovers for your S197, you know, there again, go hit Billet Pro Shops up. Right there, hanging on the wall. Billet Pro Shop. So I'll start a install video on these, and I'll upload that later. We'll see how it goes. It's through the week right now, so we'll have to try to see if I can make time for it. And the track is this Saturday. I don't even know if I'll be able to make it, so we'll see, I guess. But there you have it. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll try to do a couple more uploads and see how y'all like it. Thanks.